The world of finance has always been one of shifts and shocks, but recent conversations have taken a surprising turn. Imagine walking through a market where cash is no longer king, where transactions are instant, and trust in the system is redefined. As the whispers grow louder, it becomes clear something monumental is brewing in the financial landscape of the United States, and it's not what anyone expected. For decades, the global economy has leaned on traditional systems, the US dollar, gold reserves, and central banks acting as guardians of stability. But could we be witnessing the start of a shift towards something entirely different? A vision that could not only shake the US, but ripple through economies worldwide? Stay with me, because this isn't just another crypto story. Now, before diving into the detail, let's take a moment to reflect on how rapidly technology has evolved. From mobile payments to blockchain-based assets, digital currencies are no longer just speculative investments. They're tools shaping the future of money. But could this transformation go further? Could it redefine the very foundation of financial systems? By the time we hit the 1-minute mark, the headline becomes impossible to ignore. Donald Trump has unveiled a bold plan that could make cryptocurrency a cornerstone of the U.S. economy. But this isn't just about Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other established digital asset. The real question lies in the implications of a cryptocurrency reserve. Traditionally, reserves have been the backbone of stability: gold, government bonds, and foreign currencies, safeguarding economies during times of uncertainty. But now, Trump's proposal dares to suggest that digital assets could play this role, potentially replacing traditional reserves with something more agile and adaptable. This is where the conversation turns futuristic. Imagine a world where cryptocurrencies like Pi Network, a decentralized and energy-efficient alternative, rise to prominence over centralized systems like CBDCs. Unlike Bitcoin, which is resource-intensive to mine, Pi Network offers simplicity and accessibility, positioning itself as a potential game-changer in this narrative. But is the world, and more importantly the US, ready for this leap? Could this idea stabilize economies or inject new layers of volatility? Governments globally are watching closely. If the US adopts crypto reserves, could this signal the beginning of the end for fiat dominance? As you lean in, the stakes rise. Trump's plan has implications far beyond national borders. It challenges the dominance of the US dollar as the world's reserve currency. Could a US-backed digital reserve accelerate or hinder the dollar's power? How would this affect global trade? These are not just theoretical questions. They hold the potential to rewrite the rules of finance as we know it. And where does Pi Network fit in? With its user-friendly structure, scalability potential, and decentralized ethos, Pi stands out in a sea of digital currency. But to step into the spotlight, Pi Network must overcome significant hurdles: regulatory compliance, trust building, and scalability to handle the pressures of being a national reserve. The bigger picture begins to take shape. This isn't just about the US adopting cryptocurrency. It's about challenging the traditional banking systems, reshaping international financial relations, and determining whether decentralized networks can coexist with centralized control. Could Pi Network become the face of this transformation? Or will centralized CBDCs dominate the conversation? As the video progresses, the possibilities become clearer and more shocking. Could Trump's plan encourage mass adoption of crypto, turning it into an everyday tool for Americans? What role will Pi Network play in this revolution? And can it rise to meet the demands of global adoption while staying true to its decentralized identity? By the end, the question isn't just about Trump's bold plan or Pi Network's potential. It's about the future of finance itself. Will the world embrace a decentralized economy? Or will this bold experiment redefine what stability and trust mean in an increasingly digital world? If you've stayed with me this far, you'll know we've only scratched the surface. This moment could mark the dawn of a new financial era. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Could Pi Network truly become the US digital reserve? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into the evolving crypto landscape. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.